Hello friends, hope you're doing good. As you all know that diagrams are essential whether you are a student, freelancer or a working professional. However, creating diagrams can sometimes feel complicated and time consuming. In today's video, we'll explore an AI tool that can help you create clear and effective diagrams with ease using source code. You can use this AI tool to generate sequence diagrams, database, ER diagrams, flowcharts and many more. And the name of this tool is AI Diagram Maker. In our previous video, we introduced this tool and discussed its main features, and in that video, we also created a diagram using simple text instruction. In today's video, we'll dive deeper into how you can use AI Diagram Maker to generate diagrams from source code. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to the official page of AI Diagram Maker, or you can simply click on the link in the description and you will land on this page. Here you see that the AI Diagram Maker is an AI-powered diagram generator. From here, click on Start Diagramming and you will land on the diagram canvas. On the left here, you see the prompt box where you can define your diagram and AI Diagram Maker will prepare a perfect diagram within seconds. You see that here you also have the option to upload a file and make a diagram based on that. Another option, which is the main focus of today's video, is this option to the right of the file upload option. This option says generate diagrams from code repository. Just click there and you will get two options to select your repository type, whether public repository or private repository. In public repo, you can access any public GitHub repo without any authentication, and in private repository, you need to connect with GitHub account to access your private repositories. Let's begin with the public repo. Just click there and you will land on this page. Here, AI Diagram Maker will ask you to insert the public repository URL. You can simply copy any GitHub repository URL and paste it here. After you paste the link, then press next. From here, you can include the files you want for your diagram generation and exclude which you don't want for your analysis. You also need to keep in mind that as many files you include, then you will use that many credits. So use only the ones you need. Let me exclude some of the files and then press next. Here you see the options to choose your diagram type to visualize your code. There are many options like flowchart, sequence diagram, ERD, which is database, schema and relationships, UML class diagram, and system architecture. In this option, select the type of diagram that best suits your needs. Let me go with the system architecture for now. Once I click there, then here you see a box named as instruction, where you see the description for my diagram. Here you also see a drop-down menu at simple system architecture. When you click there, you will get multiple instruction templates and you can choose from one. You can also go with the custom instructions. You can use custom instructions if you have any specific requirements in the diagram. But for now, I will go with the simple system architecture and then click generate. It will then analyze the given code and generate my diagram within a few seconds. And here you see a neat and clean diagram which we can modify based on our needs. One way to modify this diagram is by simply typing the required change you want to have in this prompt box. Another way of modifying this diagram is through code. So to change this text editing to code editing, just click on this edit button here on the top, and then you notice on the left, your description has been converted to D2 diagram code. This way of editing offers more precision and control over your diagram, and you can do fine-tuned adjustments here. For example, I can change something here in the code and the corresponding change will occur in the diagram at the same time. Let's say I change this shape to square, and the moment I press save, the shape will change to square in my diagram. Other than that, during the edit mode, you can simply click on any shape in your diagram and then do the changes if you want. You can change the fill color and stroke color. Interestingly, as you change the color here, your code will automatically change. You can also change the label and shape of the node if you want to. After you're done with all the edits, then you can export your diagram whether in SVG or PNG format. You can also copy the code and use it elsewhere. I'll go with the PNG format and then in the original size, and this is the final look of the diagram. Now let's go with the same process and this time change the instruction. We'll go with the public repository, paste the URL and click next. Here we'll change the instruction to file directory architecture. Previously it was simple system architecture, and once we select the instruction, click generate, and after a while it will prepare a file directory architecture, and previously it was based on system architecture, so now it is based on file structure, and you can yourself see the difference. So this is how you can use public repositories to make diagrams. You can make any of these diagrams given in this list and choose the default instruction or give your own instructions for more customized diagrams. Now we will go with the private repositories. For that, click on this option here, and here you see the option private repository. Click there and you will land on this page. You can now click on connect GitHub and choose the account, and here we can choose only selected repositories. You can simply click here and select the repository you have. Once selected, then click install. Once it's done, then you will be able to select the private repository from here. After selecting the repository, we can go with next. Here you can exclude the unrequired files and include only the ones that are required for your diagram. Then click next. In this option, let's go with the flowchart. In the instruction, you can either go with the default one or you can use a customized instruction depending on your requirement. Let me go with the simple flowchart instruction for now and click generate. Within some seconds, my diagram would be ready. Here you see a perfect flowchart diagram generated by AI Diagram Maker with a private repository. You can do the changes in a similar way as we did above. You can use this prompt box, or you can go to D2 language mode and do the changes. Once done with the changes, you can export your diagram. Another important thing you need to know: if you want to add another private repository, then you simply go to the private repository, click next, and you will land on this page. Here you can notice that we are seeing the same repository that we just installed, but if you want more, then click on this add more repositories option here. You click this option, and from here we can select more repositories. Once you select another repository, then save that and it will appear with the previous repository. Also, if you want to remove the access to GitHub, then you go to your account, go to manage connections. From here just click disconnect. Open GitHub settings, scroll down and click uninstall. Once you click there, it will ask for confirmation, and after that your GitHub account will be disconnected. Here you can see it has been successfully disconnected. So that's how you can use AI Diagram Maker to generate amazing diagrams from source code. Because of its precision and accuracy, the editing is very easy and efficient when you are using the code method. So if you want to try AI Diagram Maker with free credits, then click on the link in the description and explore the potential of this tool. And that's it from Peachy Friend in today's video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Until then, adios.